I would like to thank the VAR team out here to give us who gave us this opportunity to address such an distinguished gathering. I actually, when I walked in here, I had prepared around 50 to 60 odd slides, but then I've been hearing we have a time limit of 10 minutes. So I'm going to do away with these slides and just spend a few minutes in trying to explain what Oracle is in terms of partner relationship. A couple of speakers before me have talked about being trusted advisors, working together. The byline for this year is profitability through the right partnership. Oracle business in terms of related to partner worldwide, more than 40% of our business worldwide comes through partners. In India, the indirect business is more than 85%. For us, partners out here, I really can't see the people who are sitting behind, but the partners out here are a key driving force for the revenues which we drive in India. If you step back a couple of years ago, Oracle was predominantly looked upon as an organization who works only with the large partners, the large SIs. But I would say over the last 3-4 years, our approach to the whole business has changed. Today, we are focused on the tier 2, or what we call as the growth partners. We are focused across all markets, all verticals. We work closely with the tier 2 partners in addressing these markets. One of the key features of our partnership, we have, I think, 4 levels of partnerships. One of the key features of our partnership is the entry-level model, or the entry-level stage which we call as the remarketeers. There are many partners out here who would not be an Oracle partner per se, because they're not part of the Oracle partner network. But at the same time, they have large corporates which they as their customers, but they are unable to address the market, these customers with Oracle, because they've not signed up. So we've got a model in place where what we call as the remarketeer, which has no entry barriers. We've got a model where we talk about the order to delivery cycle, which is brought down to 12 to 24 hours, so that you don't have to actually wait for your product to be delivered to the customers and wait for the whole cash cycle to be completed. We brought it down to 24 hours. These are the key steps we as Oracle have been leveraging out, and to ensure that the partners here are able to build, expand, and grow their relationship with the customers. So with this, I would again like to thank all of you to be giving us this opportunity, and also congratulate all those winners who are going to follow.